I am just a channel. You are the NeedleMeister. For you guys are the suggestors of ideas popping on NeedleMeister channel. A brother made a request of this on the 29th of March 2023. He must have thought that I've thrown the picture into trash. For as at then, I couldn't interpret what actually happened here. But believe me, brother, I was working on it secretly. Now I can explain what happened. Welcome to NeedleMeister. Let's quickly discuss how simple what you're seeing on the screen right now is. You're gonna need a pencil and a ruler. For the fundamental of the idea we are about to discuss is drawing. Draw a straight line and mark the midpoint of it. With this point as the center of your welt pocket, mark how wide you want it to be. I want it to be 4 inches wide. Square down or up by ½ inch on both sides of the straight line. This is for the width or height of each welt. Add to the length of each welt whatever pleases you. You can let it be the same or one longer than the other. In this video I want to add 2 to each. Now I'm having welt of length 6 inches. The next is to bisect the width of each welt into halves. Now I'm marking at 0.25 inch. Remember the width of our welt is 0.5 inch. Let's put a notch arrow at the corners. This is the center and the only open part of our welt. Let's cut it out for clarity's sake. Lest I forget, there is more to do with those notch arrows. So our cutting must stop at those new lines. Countless of times I have told you that in exercises like this, use scissors that you can control. Always have these small scissors beside you, please. Good. So with the help of this open part, it's going to be very easy for us to sew our welts to their respective positions. Let's go to the machine place. Stitching this is the most simplest part of all with the help of these guidelines. Now we are going to cut through too and make use of our notch guideline. I'm very sure you understand what is going on here. I'm very sorry it's below the camera. I'm very sorry, please. Now we're gonna press open the seams. You can notch this a little bit for folding. With the help of this line, you can fold your welt. Let's do the same to the other welt. I necessarily don't need to use cover cloths. I did this to remind you that you are to be using cover cloths whenever you are ironing the outer part of your fabric. This I'm doing just on the random pieces, so it's something to be less bothered about. Let's push in our notch. From this point, we are going to hold things down temporarily with hemigum. The pushed in notch, I'm having a headache right now. The only medicine is your like, your comment, and subscription. Please. Oh. Oh, thank you very much. I'm feeling relieved now. How are we now going to stitch this? Let's go find out on the machine. Please hit the like button if this video has taught you something new so far. Please hit the like button. Leave a comment for me, please. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Turn on your notification bell that you may always be the first to watch every video that comes from NeedleMeister. Thank you very much. Is there any idea in your gallery that you would like us to discuss on this channel? Please check for a link to reach me on WhatsApp in the comment section and also in the description box. Let's sew the pocket bag to it. we are going to open the seam with iron. Here we can see our markings, which is the wideness of the pocket. So we're gonna trim this and overlock. Thanks so much for being part of the discussion. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell. Hope to see you again. Bye.